Hello, so this is kind of combining art and science together because we're still going to explore our backyards, but we're also going to learn about landscapes and we're going to capture our backyards in a drawing that we do. So this is day 3 of Adventure is Out There. The adventure continues. So as I mentioned before, today we will be artists. There's lots of different kinds of artists. There's artists that paint, artists that do sculpture, and of course there's our favorite kind of artists, kid artists like you, that just kind of do whatever their hearts feel like, which is, I think, the best kind of art. Alright, so on the agenda today we're going to talk about what we already know, because you guys have done some art lessons before. You're also going to be learning about landscapes and color, so I'll be talking about that. Then you're going to create your own landscape using warm and cool colors. Okay, so just think about it. What kind of art have you done before? What kinds of art do you know about? What do you already know about color? Think about these questions, take a moment, have them in your mind, and then we'll move forward. Okay, if you need longer to think, you can pause. But if you don't and you have your answers already, we're going to keep going. Okay, so we're just going to talk about color first. So what is the color wheel? It's just what it sounds like. It's a circle or a wheel that shows us all of the colors. Just like this. These are a wheel, this is a color wheel showing us the basic colors. It tells us what order they're in, so how it starts and how they fade into each other. So which color leads to which color. Okay, so let's talk about warm and cool colors. This is a really great color wheel because it has a divider here that splits the warm and cool colors. So the warm colors are on this side, the cool colors are over here. Warm colors are bright and they look hot, so I associate these colors with summer, the sun, with warmth, a crackling fire. I associate these colors, cool colors, with something that's cool and calm or cold, because they're calm and they look colder. So I associate these with rivers and lakes, the sky, the ocean, feeling calm, feeling relaxed. So, your job is to find one thing near you or in your house that is a warm color. You're also going to find one thing near you or in your house that is a cool color. You're going to answer, so you're going to keep those with you. What did you pick and how do you know that it was a cool color? How do you know that it was a warm color? I'm going to post a template with these questions on them so you don't have to try and remember them, but make sure that you have your objects with you when you're answering the template, because you need to be able to describe them. You're going to do that last. Okay, so let's talk about landscapes. What is a landscape? Well, a landscape is a drawing or painting of a nature scene. So as you can see, this is a landscape because it's a picture of the outside world. This is a picture of a garden. Hopefully there's something here. I don't know what happened to it. There we go. There it is. Yay. All right, and this is a picture. This is a painting. These are all paintings. This is of a pond and a lake. You can see that there's a sky. You can see it really clearly. There's trees in the background, and there's beautiful plants and bushes. So a landscape is a drawing or a painting of a nature scene. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be going outside to your own backyards, picking a spot in your backyard and creating a landscape of it. We're going to talk more about that. So today we will be making our own landscapes. You will need white paper, a hard surface to draw and color on, a pencil. You'll need crayons, colored pencils, markers, pastels, or paint. And then we'll talk about what you're going to do. So pause this video right now. Go ahead and get all the materials that you need. And then when you come back and when you're ready, you can go ahead and unpause the video and keep going. Okay, so now that you have all of your materials, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick your subject. Your subject is just the thing that you're going to draw. So go into your backyard, find what you're going to pick, and go ahead and draw it out. you need to choose something that has both warm and cool colors. So you need to include both warm and cool colors in your drawing. You can always go back through this video if you need help again or a reminder of what warm and cool colors are. Then you're going to draw your subject and then color it in. So go ahead and go for it. I've also posted a video on how to make a landscape that's a little bit more detailed. If you feel like you need more information, you can go ahead and watch the video. So you can pause this now, go ahead and watch the video, and then when you're done making your landscape, come back and continue watching this video because I have more information for you. Okay, so now that you're back, what you're going to do on the template is you're going to make a video telling me about your landscape. So you're going to tell me about your subject. You're going to tell me what you did, what colors you used, and what tools you used. So what did you know? What tools, what skills did you learn today that helped you? And then you're going to tell me a little bit about what you learned today. Don't worry, all of these questions will be on a template. You don't have to try to remember them. I'm so excited to see your beautiful work. So you're going to answer the questions on Seesaw, and you're also going to upload a picture of your landscape. All right, I'm so excited. I will see you tomorrow, and good luck and have fun.